Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series, guys, E90, E91, 92, 93, and we'll show you where to find ignition, coil, fuse. Now, that generation BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes, guys, so make sure that yours is the same like ours and double check everything before you start taking things apart. Now, the ignition coil fuse for our year, okay, ours is a 2006 to 2007 model, and it might be working on other ones as well, so double check, is under the hood. That's where the fuse is, in that fuse box where the engine computer is. We have a video how to get to it and how to open it, because it'll be a too long video and some of you probably know how to open it. If you don't, check out the video on the channel, it will be there. Now, once you remove that, guys, it's easy and we'll show you why. But let me just introduce you quick. We have more than 200 videos on that 3 series, so please subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll have quite a few videos. Now, once you open your fuse box, okay, cover here, you have, okay, that fuse block, which is located, okay, it's right here underneath. And in order to pull it up, okay, you can see that thing right here. You need to press it this way and pull the fuse block up. After that, okay, there is no way you just remove one of the fuses. You have 5 fuses and you have to remove all 5 at the same time. Fuse number 1 is for the ignition coils. Fuse number 1 should be the one on the very left side. So I'll get a small flathead screwdriver. There is one clip here on the side. Okay, check it out. This clip will open it, and now we're going to go ahead, okay, and pull the fuses up. Okay, like that. Check it out. Now that's the whole fuse block right here. Then you have a place where you press in here, okay, for one of the clips. And also you have 2 little clips here that you need to press in on each side at the same time, and you're going to slide that thing open. Okay, we already had ours open, so we broke it a little bit right here, so you have to be careful for yours. And that's where the fuses are located now, guys. Okay, fuse number 1 is a 30 amp fuse, but check all of them while you're here. Okay, I actually removed fuse number 5, so let me try again. Okay, I'll hold 4 of them and I'll just pull the first one. Okay, it's this fuse right here. You can check out where we buy the replacement parts and stuff like that in the description of the video below. That's where you can find fuses as well. So, right here, guys, this is it. This is your ignition coil fuse. When you're ready to install it, you need to make sure that this thing closes all the way. And, okay, you need to also press it down here. Okay, ours is not closed all the way because I need to make another video. Okay, until it clicks, okay, like that, and push it in the box. It needs to be there, but I don't want to mess with the cables now. Make sure that you close your box really good, because if you get moisture, your computer might go out. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.